In this video, we will download and install R and RStudio. Go to the R website. You can check out the description for the link. If you are a Linux or Mac user, choose from the options above. I will go with the third option for Windows. Here, click on Install R for the first time. Here is the final link to download latest version of R in your Windows. Clicking this button will start downloading the file. But before that, make sure that your laptop is compatible with these requirements. So now let's download RStudio. Here is the RStudio website. Its link is also in the description. So step 1 is to install R because RStudio will not run if you haven't installed R in your laptop. Let's go to the step number 2, install RStudio desktop. Here is the link. Clicking it will start downloading RStudio. But if you are using a 32-bit system, you can use an older version of RStudio. And if you are a Mac or Linux user, choose from the links below. As you can see, I have already downloaded these files, so it can save your time because downloading takes some time. So let's install it. Go to your downloads and double click on the file. Here is it showing a window. If do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. I'm not sure if it was recorded or not because last time it wasn't recorded. So just click yes. English, language English, okay. There's nothing technical here, so just go with the default settings. Next. Just go with the default settings, accept defaults. Next. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, make sure to check this button. Installing will take a few moments. Make sure to install R first and RStudio after it. Finish. Okay, the same goes with the RStudio. Double click here. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Next, install. Okay, meanwhile you can see that here we have installed R successfully and it's even showing on our desktop. As soon as this installation is finished, RStudio will be on our desktop too.